Evening, Jeff.
Evening.
It's come round quite quick now, so another new season on the horizon. How do you think pre-season's gone for the boys?
I think everyone's worked really hard. We've done well in the games. There's a lot of stuff that we still need to work on, which we're trying to put right and be ready for the start of the season, obviously coming this Saturday. But yeah, I think we've shown glimpses of what we can achieve and how we can play. It's been good to obviously integrate the new lads in and build relationships on the pitch. And we've had a good pre-season. As I say, it's flown by and worked hard. So yeah.
I said to Skip on Saturday, it's a tough game to start the season.
Absolutely, yeah. All games in this league are tough, to be fair. But we know the level of the game. Buckley away, first one. But if we want to achieve what we want to achieve this year, we treat it like every game we approach this season where we go there to win. And if we want to, as I say, achieve what we set out to this year, which is ultimately, get promotion and win the league, we've got to go to most places and win.
Does last year's disappointment of not winning the league spur you on this season more, or?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it was really, really disappointing last season to just come up short in the end, but that's gone now, and we've just got to use that as motivation to, know how we felt at the end of last season and use that as a bit of a fire, I suppose, to put us into going and putting it right this year.
We've had new faces in, but quite of our competitors have put a lot of money and signings into their teams as well. Mm-hmm. Do you think it'll be a bit closer this season, or?
I think the league will be more open this year.
Yeah.
I think there's a number of good teams in the league. Not that there wasn't last year, but I think the standard is improving year on year, which naturally it should be. There'll be more people, more teams competitive this year, I hope, and it proves to be, a very competitive league, which is ultimately what we want.
Yeah.
We hope to come out on top of that competitive league, but there'll be tougher games, tougher opponents for not just us, but for everyone else in the league as well. So I'm sure there'll be plenty of twists and turns throughout the season. We just need to make sure that we keep, focused on our job and let other results do their thing.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.